Hello everyone, welcome back to the TechJourney YouTube channel. I hope you all are safe in your homes. Today we are going to learn how to install Anaconda on Windows. Before we get started with installation, first we need to understand what is Anaconda. So, Anaconda is a free and open source distribution of the Python and R programming languages for scientific computing that aims to simplify package management and deployment. In simple words, Anaconda is a package of IDE, an integrated development environment where we write code on different resources, such as Jupyter Notebook, VS Code, Spyder, and so on. So now we have understood what is Anaconda, let's begin with its installation. If you are new on our channel, so make sure you subscribe and turn the notifications on so you will never miss a video. Now first of all go to Google and type Anaconda download. Then click on the first link, scroll down the page and click on the link to download if you are using Mac or Linux, so you can try the respected links. I have 64-bit Windows, so I am clicking on a 64-bit link. I have already downloaded it, so I am not downloading it again. Just double-click on that downloaded file. Click Next. Agree. Next. Click Install. Wait for installation. You can see our installation is completed. Click Next. Next. Finish. Close these tabs. Go to your Windows search bar and type Anaconda. Open the Anaconda prompt. Then type here Jupyter Notebook and whatever resource that you want to open. It will open that resource. You can see Jupyter Notebook is now open. So our Anaconda installation is completed successfully. We will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. And don't forget to subscribe. Peace.